I'm taking video, but it, like, zooms in.
Ooh, yay! What's that thing?
Whoa. What is it?
Lego City.
Sweet.
Ooh, look at that. Look at it.
Whoa. What does it become?
This.
Sweet. What is that?
The beach.
Wow. Beach house.
That is pretty cool.
Two-story beach house.
Whoa. What else does it become? Look on the back.
Another two-story beach house. 3 two-story beach houses.
Cool.
No, 1 one-story beach house and 2 two-story beach houses.
Oh. Cool. That's neat, right? Like one of them has like a gift shop or something. The one-story one has like a little gift shop thing.
This one?
No, the one-story beach house.
1 story? This one?
Yeah.
That's a...
Like a soda shop or...
No, it's like a place where you can rent surfboards and stuff.
Oh, cool. Like a surf shack.
Surf shack. This one's kind of square. I wonder what this is. It's a weird, awkward shape. Maybe it's just rocking. Nope, it's not. Rocking. That's a game. Huh. What the?
Look like.
There's cards that are dice.
What?
Poker dice.
Let me see. Oh man, I've seen that game before. It's like how you play poker, but with dice. It's like Yahtzee. That's cool.
Dice and cards.
Cool.
See on the back? That's a card.
That's neat, right?
Here's, I think this is the last present from Santa.
Okay.
I think it's Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, it is Pirates of the Caribbean.
Cool.
Not sure. It's from the sticker. Jacket on there. How did this get on there?
I don't know.
What is it?
Maybe the elves put it on.
Yeah, I want you to save money.
What's the box?
It's this Lego game thing.
Cool.
It's a Lego game.
That's